Pooja Sharma and I'm at the Cedar-IBSi Building a Future Ready Bank Summit here in Mumbai. With me is Satish Grampurohit of Cogniquest. He's the CEO and also one of our portfolio companies. You had a panel today, earlier today, and what was your experience like?
Well, it was great experience. It was great learning from other panelists who were talking about technology and how it is applied in the business. In my view, I think technology has a big play in the future of banking. It's not only, so far the technology was largely focused on internal operational efficiencies. Now it's about improving the customer journey, it's about digital journeys, etc. So I see technology is a big leveler for many of the banks where they can start offering similar services and kind of capture the market which they would otherwise be letting for other industries.
Satish, what value did Cedar-IBSi event today unlock for you?
It was, see, I have been attending multiple summits of Cedar, and every Cedar summit has a very clear agenda, and they bring people from the industry and they share perspectives of what's happening in the market. So certainly it gives a good understanding from a mix of bankers, mix of technologists, mix of startups. It's one place where you get diverse views from all the stakeholders on what's happening in the future of banking.
Satish, obviously, the next point would be that how is Cedar-IBSi Capital adding value to you beyond capital?
Yeah. No, Cedar-IBSi Capital has been a great asset for us. While capital is certainly something that they offer, see, they have multiple interventions, right? One is they have a Cedar management consulting firm where the partners like Chetan, Ram, Murtuza, etc., have been working with us, giving us insights from the market as well as introducing us to the customers, and that's a big support that we have got. We have got the support from the IBSi research team, which provides us access to the IBSi research. They also provide a lot of content and they also promote a lot of material about us in various forums. Then the FinTech Lab has been a great intervention as well. One, we get into the ecosystem of other FinTechs where they are doing introductions, etc. So it's a combination of all these three things coming together, which is a great value add. And over and above that, Sahil, Subit are actively working with us. They work almost like a sounding board or a co-founder. They have a same level of passion and interest as we have as founders in Cogniquest, right? And last but not the least, Mr. Sanjeev Anand himself has been spending time with us. We have had sessions with him on balance scorecard, etc. So which is very valuable for a company like us. Yeah.
Satish, like you said earlier, you attended the other Cedar-IBSi event.
Yeah.
I want to know how was your experience at Dubai event, and what do you think of the Dubai market? Do you have any expansion plans, and any other synergies that you think?
Yeah. See, we are building a global product, right? So what we are building is not just for India, it's actually for global market. It's for Middle East, it's for Europe as well as US, etc. In fact, Cedar management consulting partners have been kind of introducing us to multiple banks and financial institutions in the Middle East, including the UAE. The event in Dubai was an excellent assembly of very senior industry leaders where we could go and reconnect with many of them where I had gone and met in the past. So it was about reinforcing our conversations, reinitiating some lost threads, etc. In fact, we have started working with two of the customers again after the event. Certainly, we got to know the local nuances because the industry leaders from the local market definitely shared their perspectives. So it's been a very productive visit for me, I would say, being the Cedar-IBSi Dubai Summit.
Satish, could you share your latest funding round details on it, and what's the strategic, goals that you're aiming to achieve with it?
Yeah. So Cogniquest, I must say, has been shaping up very well. Thanks to Cedar also for all the introductions and support they have given. But outside of that also, since our platform is a horizontal platform, we have been working with various industries, including e-commerce industries, fintechs and banks, insurance, etc. Happy to say that we have multiple customers, big logos, including one of the big four consulting company, the largest e-commerce player in India, a European insurance customer, as well as a US-based healthcare company. So we are doing very well on the business traction. We have a very good visibility on the pipeline. We just raised a follow-on round from a set of angels in the US who have formed a syndicate to invest in Cogniquest. The way we have looked at investors is not just capital investors, but intellectual investors. I call them as intellectual investors. These are the people who bring in industry insights, they connect us to the industry, provide us business connectivity, network, etc. These 35 angels from the US are all technocrats, senior leaders, and they could not participate in the last round, so we created a kind of a tranche for them where they are coming together. Having said that, we are always looking for ways in which we can grow. Now we need to invest in GTM, expand our footprint in the US, UK, Europe, etc. So certainly welcome investors who believe in the broader vision of building an enterprise platform from India for the global markets.
Thank you so much, Satish, for your time.